Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something very easy again. Always our kitchen is easy. Today we're going to make a chicken soup. Very easy and tasty. We need, of course, chicken. I use chicken thighs with skin and bone, but you can use everything: legs, wings, carcasses, anything you like. I like thighs because for me the best part of the chicken is thighs. Later I had some vegetable, some courgette, carrot, potato, onion, parsnip, celery. I had some leek. And in the fridge I had the squash. It's nice, gives some sweetness. I wash everything. Now I put first the chicken inside, like this, chicken, the all veggie inside. Later, it's not obligatory to use this veg. When we make soup, it's like you clean even the fridge. Everything you have there for the vegetable is good. I leave bigger because I have my son. He don't like he like just carrots. I cut, but he don't like the fine vegetable in the plate. That's why I put in all pieces around. Later, when we do this, chicken, vegetable inside, water. Cold water, tap water I use. Vieni Susi. Tap water, give a mix, give space, and stop. Now, going in here, turn it on. At the moment we can leave a high flame like that. We here as well, you can add all the spices you like. But basically we need salt, pepper. I use this Maggi, you can find anywhere in the supermarket. It's quite nice taste to give some stock. A little touch of olive oil, I can show you. A little touch of olive oil, some salt, black pepper, how much you like, eh? This Maggi is like a couple tablespoons. Is okay. Now, a little touch of the olive oil. I use just olive oil from my cousin in Puglia. It's the best olive oil I have. Couple tablespoons as well here is done. And this is my personal, because I like Asian, and they have always in the soup they add some soya sauce and make that dark color. 1 tablespoon is enough. Now mix everything nice. You know already it's a little bit dark with that soya sauce. Now you put medium flame, lid on. I cook this around 3 hours, and we're gonna have this for dinner. Me, my wife soon, and my Enrico. We're gonna have this with some noodles. But you can have pasta, you can have just like that, or with some crostini, with bread, any. But anyway, 3 hours. Check if it's good with salt. If not, put some more. Up to you. And see you in 3 hours when we're gonna try it. Okay? Ciao. 3 hours gone. The soup is ready. Look there. It's something amazing. Look at the color. Still very hot.
Yeah.
I can show you the example, the vegetable, how soft they are. Look, it's just, that is perfect. You can put it inside. And I want to show you the chicken as well. You can take, it's very hot. You can take the skin off, and when you do this, look, common part, everything. Super ready, you know? Time to try this. Wow, I love the chicken. Wow, guys, it's very nice. It's very hot. Guys, it's absolutely easy. It's super easy. You just put some vegetable and chicken, water, and just go solo. Just do alone. Anyway, guys, the
chicken soup is this?
Chicken soup? Oh, aspetta, wait. I told you I'm gonna cook this with some noodles. With some noodles, Enrico make me laugh. We're gonna cook this with some noodles, but you can use any pasta you like, or just like that. Up to you. Later I'm gonna make a nice picture with noodles and chicken. And guys, the chicken soup is this. If you like, finger up and follow us.